Hello student, a very good morning. This is Pratima Sharma, your English grammar teacher. Student, how are you? I hope all you will well, and I am also very well. Student, one more thing I want to ask you. Are you like this class? Yes, I know that you like it because I am also very like this. Students, so let's start our class. Firstly, I want to explain all the points which we had read yesterday, like the the definition of the sentence and the kinds of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Means in this type of sentence means giving information all the complete sense. So means all the parts are using in this type of frame. And kinds of sentence, there are 5 kinds of sentence. This is assertive articulative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. There are 5 types of sentence. So today I will start each of the section in a very brief portion. Okay, let's start. Our first sentence is assertive articulative sentence. So in this type of sentence means say something or any statement. Say something or any statements. Okay, means student in this type of sentence means a fact, declare your statements by in this section, like India is situated in South Asia. India is the second largest country in the world after the China on the basis of the population. So this is a fact, this is a statement, and this statement is also come in 2 parts, positive and negative form. Positive or negative form. In positive case, you can say that Mr. Singh is our English teacher. Mr. Singh is our English teacher means this is a fact, this is a statement. You are saying something about the Mr. Singh means he is our English teacher. In negative form, you can say she is not like you. She is not like you. This means true. This is the fact. She is not like you. So in this type of sentence means you can say something or any statement type. So assertive or declarative sentence say something or a statement, and this is divided in a positive and negative form. Here's some example, like Mr. Singh is our English teacher, and negative form, she is not like you. And one more important thing, when this type of sentence end with the full stop. See. Okay. So our next sentence is interrogative sentence. Our next sentence is interrogative sentence. In this type of sentence, you ask the question. Ask something. Okay, you ask something and in reply form yes or no. The rules yes or no, and symbol is question mark. Like you can take the example, what are you doing? What are you doing? In the reply form, if are they doing or not doing, they reply in answer yes or no. And in negative form, why are you not coming in my house. Why you are not coming in my house? Means you are asking the question. What are you doing? In positive way, like a negative type. Why are you not coming in my house? So this is the two types of sentence. First is in assertive articulative sentence, and second is the interrogative type of sentence. So student, slowly we read all the types of sentence, because if we will read all the types of sentence, you can maybe you are going back confused. So slowly we take the points of sentence. So student, today that is we read today the assertive articulative type sentence. Means say something, a statement, and this statement is a positive and negative form, and second is a interrogative type sentence, means ask the something to anyone, any person, and this is a primary yes or no form, negative or positive sentence. What are you doing and why you are not coming in my party? Today my homework is, so student, this is my homework. Change the following sentence into negative and positive form. Like, the room is very warm. Change in negative. This is a positive form. Change in negative form. Has he taken it? You saw me. We need start now. Why Rani works very hard. So write this homework in your SW copy. All the exercises solved in a SW copy. I will check very soon. Okay. Thank you so much, student.